In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly meeting polls. If you're trying to find a time that works for a group without endless back and forth, meeting polls in Calendly are a simple, fast solution. Let's walk through the entire process from start to finish so you can publish a poll and share it with your invitees in just a few minutes. Start by heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In, enter your email address and continue, then enter your password and continue again to access your account. If your organization uses single sign-on, just complete your usual login flow. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where you can manage your events. Look for the Create button. This is where you'll start building your poll. Click Create, then choose More Ways to Meet and select Meeting Poll. This opens the poll builder, which is designed to help you propose multiple times and let participants vote on what works for them. On the calendar view, click the empty time slots you want to include as options. You can select times across different days to give people flexibility. A few tips here. Keep your audience's time zones in mind. Avoid early mornings or late evenings if participants are spread out, and consider adding reasonable buffers between proposed times so you don't end up with back-to-back commitments. If you make a mistake, you can deselect a slot and pick another. When your proposed times look good, click Next. Now give your meeting a clear, descriptive name, something like quarterly planning check-in or design review, so invitees know exactly what they're voting on. Then choose the location for the meeting. You can select a video conferencing option such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, or another location that fits your workflow. If you've connected these tools to Calendly, the final calendar invite will include the meeting link automatically after you confirm a time. You'll also see optional settings. These can help you fine-tune the experience, add a short description with context or an agenda, adjust duration, or tailor other preferences to match how you like to schedule. These aren't required, but they can reduce confusion and make the vote smoother. When everything is set, click Share Meeting Poll. Calendly will generate a unique link. Copy that link and share it with your invitees by email, chat, or wherever your team communicates. They'll vote on their preferred times, and once you choose the winning slot, Calendly will handle the scheduling details. That's it. Your poll is live and ready to collect responses. Thanks for watching, and enjoy simpler group scheduling with Calendly meeting polls.